Hello everyone and welcome back to my kitchen. So, you're in the middle of baking and you need a funnel and you can't find one. But you have an empty carton of milk. Here's what you do. Jennifer, who was watching my video on making blackberry jam, spotted me using this funnel. It's actually really handy, so I'm just going to do a quick demo of how you can do the same. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. I really appreciate you coming back to watch this video. Please hit the thumbs up. And you're welcome to subscribe. Hi to all my subscribers, welcome back. And to any new subscribers, you're so welcome. I said it was a quick demo, and there you have it. There's your handy funnel with a really handy handle for holding on to too while you're working. Thank you for joining me in my kitchen. See you again during the week. God bless. Bye.